Hey guys, thank you for clicking my video. I was getting ready just for the day and I figured why not sit down and film it. So here we are. Let's see how this turns out. So we're just gonna get right into it. I don't know what else to say. So I'm gonna start off with the Hydra Touch primer by NYX, and this is gonna help me add a little bit more hydration to the skin, as I am feeling a little bit on the drier side today. Okay, I always somehow go in with two primers, so the next one that I'm going to go in with is going to be the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation primer. And I'm going to add a little bit of this. It's going to be a mattifying primer, so I'm just going to concentrate this right on the nose area and the cheek area. You'll see. And this is a really weird product to work with. So you have to work with it fast, otherwise it'll dry on your hands and then it'll just flake off. So I'm just going to press it right on the cheek area where we're normally highlight, right here, all the way up here, and then the nose area for sure. Alright, for foundation, I'm gonna mix two actually. I'm gonna mix the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. So right here, there you go. And then a little bit of the Luminous Silk Foundation by GRWM. And I'm gonna do 1 pump of each. Like that. And then I'm just gonna start pressing it all over the skin. I haven't done my hair, so it's going to be all over the place. I just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna keep doing this a lot. I apologize. This looks way lighter on the camera. I swear it's not this light. Get the KKW concealer, and this is in the color 8, and I'm going to use this under my eyes. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything. I'm going to get the Laura Mercier powder. I'm just kidding. This is the Ben Nye Luxury powder. This one in here. And I put it in here because I ran out of my Laura Mercier. So this is not the Laura Mercier powder. This is the Ben Nye powder. Not that I don't like the Laura Mercier one, I just haven't had a chance to go buy another one. Really like this container because you can just press the beauty blender in there and then, you know, do whatever you need to do. So that's why I wanted to keep the container and then just put whatever powder I had until I go buy another one. I'm going to press powder right underneath my eyes here. I'm going to concentrate most of the powder right under here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyes while all that sets, but I don't know what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to start doing them and then fast forward all this and put some music on for you guys, because I honestly don't know what look to do. I'm just going to fast forward now. Alright, so here's what I'm going to jump back on, and I'm going to finish my complexion. So I'm going to grab a flat top brush, and then I'm going to use my Hydro Touch powder foundation from NYX, and I'm just going to use this to kind of dust off whatever's left of my baking powder. I'm going to use my NYX matte bronzer, and it is in the color Deep. I'm going to use this NYX brush, number 2, to apply this bronzer. Normally I actually don't wear blush at all, but for the past couple of weeks I've been actually enjoying it, so I'm just gonna try this out. And I'm going to use one of the new blushes that NYX just launched, Paradise Fluff Ombre Blush Highlight, Ombre Blush. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, so I guess I can use it as a highlight too. And it's called Sweet Custard. Right? I'm just gonna mix them all. The lashes that I'm going to use today is going to be by Marlu Silva, Marlu Lashes. This is right here. I got this as a little gift actually. And for the glue, I've actually been using the Mosquito Lashes Lash Glue. I got this at Heaven and Hannah, and I actually like it a lot. So. The first one that I'm going to go in with is this NYX Cosmetics Suede Matte Lipstick in Lolita. Alright, my camera died, so I went to go do my hair and put a shirt on. But I did apply Lolita, and I want to cut my lashes because they were like literally poking out of my inner corner. So I cut them up, reapply them, and now that I'm thinking about it, they're actually not big enough for this look, so they actually look like I'm not wearing any lashes. I guess they're fine. Okay, so moving on, I applied Lolita lipstick, and then on top of that, I'm going to go in with Fetish in the same collection. Okay, this combination. And the next thing that I'm going to do is add a gloss right on top of it, and I'm going to use the Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss by NYX. And I'll put that right on top. So for the final step, I'm going to set my face using the NYX Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. Like that. After I spray my setting spray, I always like to go in with a powder again, right in the center here. So after I set my spray my setting spray, I like to go in with a powder, and I'm going to go in with the medium dark mineralized skin finish by MAC, and I'm going to use this brush right here by NYX, and I'm just going to press it right in here. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel so that way you guys can see future videos coming up. I am planning on posting on a weekly basis, starting with this one. So once I get more comfortable in front of the camera and things like that, I promise everything will be better. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'll hope to see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys later. Bye!